Hello, hi, namaskara, and welcome to Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas Eve, and we are live. I'm live with my Let's Get Talking episode 64, special Christmas episode. Welcome everybody for this special episode. Alan, welcome. Rolson, Per Marie, Marlo, Gleason, Merry Christmas. Darshan, welcome. Ashwin Saldana, welcome. Jesu, welcome. Darshan, namaskara. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Rose Fernandez, welcome. Okay. Oh, welcome. Jason, welcome. Wishing everybody Merry Christmas, everybody. Jason, Merry Christmas. Irregla, Alan, Irregla, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, the comments. Okay. Marvelous, Avit, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Welcome. Hannah Miranda, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Merry Christmas to you and to your family. Rose Fernandez, to you too. Merry Christmas, brother. Joel Fernandez, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Dolly Sikuara, Merry Christmas, all the way from Sydney. I think yesterday you had a blast party, I guess, in Sydney. Okay. Glenn Nazareth, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Loy Mates, Nitin Rao, everybody who is joining in, welcome to Let's Get Talking. And talking about today's guest, you all know, you have all seen the posters. She is a fabulous anchor, and we all call as shoe hostess. And my friend, one of my friend, he also calls her a shoe hostess in Konkani. We'll talk about it later. So, she'll be joining us soon. She is none other than Komal Jennifer D'Souza, the shoe hostess. She'll be joining us soon. Denzel, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Loy Martis, welcome. DJ Toxic, namaskara. Mast samadi rentu ande. Welcome to Let's Get Talking, DJ Toxic. Inshallah. Irregla, Merry Christmas, ave. Merry Christmas, the party borrowed by Yagir. Toxic party full arrangement there. Here, but nan. Okay. Yeah, Batman out put it. Batman in the house upande Dambu Varpujink. So Batman in the house. Okay. So sorry. Nation Toxic, Nitin Rao. Yeah, welcome everybody who is joined in. Welcome. We are all waiting for Komal to join in. Let's Vanil Vegas. Namaskar. Welcome. Merry Christmas, Vanil. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. May this DJ Ash Malla message okay. Okay. May this day brings moments of love and happiness to your family. I wish you and your family Merry Christmas filled with love and joy. Undu pakka copy paste maldin. Undu DJ Ash pakka copy paste. You copy paste maldin. Okay. So DJ Toxic, I'll be there at 7. Yeah. 7 gante bache. Aji 7 gante bale. Okay, done. Unknown Monkey, Bankar username 000004. Okay, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Diksha Shilpa, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Savian Norana, welcome. Okay, welcome. We are all waiting for Engala guest wait Malnulla. We are waiting for Komal to join. She'll be joining us soon. Smiley Soul, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Bari Aprupa join other. Okay. Merry Christmas, Anisha, welcome and Merry Christmas to you. Sarita, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Ranish Shetr, welcome. Ranish, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Listen, Irla Vale, no issues. Mr. 200 Unleashes, hi, welcome. Live of Anas, Merry Christmas, Irregla. Merry Christmas, Mr. 200 Unleashes. Welcome. Smiley Soul. Welcome. Thank you, Ranishar. Thank you, Irregla. Merry Christmas. Pranit, welcome. Okay, we are all waiting for shoe hostess to join in. Shoe hostess join aate. So let's welcome. Let's get talking. Okay. All right. We have finally Komal. Welcome to Let's Get Talking.
Hi. Please tell me if my audio is clear.
Yeah, audio full clear. In Christmas
Super.
So, Merry Christmas, Komal, Irregla. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Irregla. Merry Christmas, and to all the viewers out there, a very Merry Christmas. I hope you had a great day.
Yeah, everybody is from yesterday evening. Pura kalala great day from yesterday evening. Okay, okay. So you have lots of your fans joining in. Yan upna kali patne jana ittini. Hi, hello patne jana tane patne patne uttadu lal. Count is went up to 44. See, proper change now. Ite ayo bofunan. So all your fans, your well wishers, friends have joined in. Paatitilla pandi ena pandi. Unirna svenna.
என்ன ஸ்டைலா மாத்திரைக்கு நமஸ்காரம். It's lovely to see everybody here. It's so nice to have so many people join us in the live program. I'm coming live after very long. So Christmas special episode of DJ Marvin Irek Letine Irek Devirete Maspar. Thank you for having me here because it's a special episode, right? So I feel very happy that you made me part of this special episode. Thank you, and thank you to all the viewers who are here. I'm excited.
Yeah. You did not tell thanks to me because it's our pleasure to have you. Let's Get Talking. Arthamalla shoe hostess coming to Let's Get Talking. It's a pleasure having you on this Christmas special episode. So welcome, once again. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. Okay, you have like people joining in. You can read the comments. The comments barunundo. Comments. Yes, you can read it. Okay. Clive was telling hello, Komal ma'am. Okay.
Yera ori fan on mandirge yaane pode yaanonde fan off manpe sabda barpunda vittu leva.
Okay, fan off manpe chu off manpe mallech. Okay, fan the sabda barpunda okay shoe toji volita Louis is telling shoe toji arid the shoe toja avarge arna okay shoe tuka. Okay, so okay skateboard
kattoda shoe to pare
shoe boka dobaga irna collections unnade shoe boka dobaga. So Clive is telling cake. Nitin Rao is telling cake board ke are konja cake parcel malpori idu. Nitin Rao is telling are
aronji e part the very good there cake board kadapudva ava irega.
Okay, irne cake parcel barpundu ave Let's Get Talking idi vatti boka irkende Let's Get Talking ikende cake barpundu ave. Russell Rick Pereira is telling Komal man big fan is telling. Yeah, big fan. Okay. DJ Ashma. Yeah, DJ Ashma gurinchi malla message baritirare. Malla message odve anirege. Christmas wish baritira. Ode phone bandibutta. Okay. May this Christmas sparkles life of you and your family with lots of love, laughter and goodwill.
Irregla. Same copy paste.
Ata are copy paste agidi na. Okay. So shoe hostess ata shoe tojige volita panadillere. Shoe tojige. Here, Engul Bakado. Okay, Bakado, Malich. Engul episode the full Dabaga. Okay. DJ Toxic is telling, are beer body. Okay, and Toxic Toxic Pantan, Ajat Yel Gante correct Illa Vale, Illa Vatna Malpugaval. Okay. Okay, so that is.
at bokka dange bultondilla alla beer board pandu korperandu panteranda bale elide galla barre
ನೀರ್ಲ ಬಲೆ ಪೂರ ಕಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ ಪೂರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ ಮರ್ವಿನ್ ಪಾಪರ್ ಆಪೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಲ್ತು. Okay, so coming back to let's start our show. Let's get talking. Young Jason is asking irna shoe the collection ate enna cap the collection toja avdige. Jason is asking
exactly yanla odi aite irilla topa odava last ಗೆ
ದೇವರನ್ನ ಉಪ್ಪುನ ರಡ್ಡೆ ಆ ರಡ್ಡೆ ಡೇ ಒನ್ನಿ ಬುಧವಾರ ಒನ್ನಿ ಬಂಡು ಶನಿವಾರ ಒನ್ನಿ ಬಂಡು ಕೂಡ ತಿರುಗಿ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅಂಚನೆ ಪಾಂಡು. Volita is telling you are always beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Irregla pannippu.
Enga devaranne Volita panne. Okay. So Komal is like right now famous as Komal Jennifer Jasti, shoe hostess. You are famous as shoe hostess. So initially, when did you start your journey into anchoring or emceeing? When did you initially start it?
It's been 7 years. 7 varsha start month. I think the year start. I think in the month of March, 7 years on. So I think it's been about 7.5 years since I got in. First start month ni college tipanaga. Engla illokelle monthini. Engla panna enna mamuna illokelle monthini. So I started with that, and then eventually I moved on to hosting my friends in my ICYM group. Pura kelakil korondite 8 month ondite akilla family functions pura. So yeah, it's been about 7.5 years. It's been going pretty great. Ite avondundu anchi inchi pandu kinya mattogu.
Okay. So back then, 7 years, 7.5 years, Dumbu, like when you started, you are doing your MC thing, 7 years back. Did you ever think that you would come and let's get talking?
आपण let's get talking ಇತ್ತು ಜತ 7 hours 7.5 years back.
ತುಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ 7 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬ ನೀ ಎಂದಿತ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ದ
ಎಂದಿತ್ತು ಜಪ್ಪ ಕನೋಟ್ಲ ಎಂದಿತ್ತು ಜನ್
ಇತ್ತದುಲಿ that dream has come true. Your dream has come to that you are let's get talking. Music ಮಾಡ್ಲೆ ಚೂರು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೆ ನಾ ಪಕ್ಕ
ಯಾನ್ ಪೂರ ದಾಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಗುಲ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ ಕೋಮಲ್ ಇರ್ ಶೂ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್ ಅತ್ ಏರ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆರೊಂಜಿ ಏನಾಯಿ ಯಾನ್ ಓರ ಏರಾ ಕೇಂಡೇರ ಶೂ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್ ಆ ಶೋ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಶೂ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್. ಶೂ ಪಂಡ ಮೋಚೆ shoes iteji anta shoe hostess.
Okay. Telling it in Konkani, I have my very good friend Elson who has translated that shoe hostess in Konkani. Elson I ijje the baidije Elson has and he has like named it perfectly. Vanachi Mestri.
Exactly.
Komal D'Souza.
Mocha ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪಂತಿನೆ mocha ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Vanachi Mestri. Vanachi Mestri.
Monache atya mochanche panni
sorry mochanche mestri sorry that Christmas ada ini ಚೂರು ಅಂಜಿಂಜಿ ಅಪ್ಪಡಿ ಪಾಪುಡಿ
ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದವಂತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಣ ಅಪ್ಪಡ ಅಂಜಿಂಜಿ
ಅವ ಚೂರು ಅಪ್ಪಡಿ ಪಾಪು ದಾದ ಮಲ್ಪನೆ. Okay so you started 7.5 years back. Initially you started right now you are like famous full on click anchor and you can see in our event industry. Okay, so when did you actually kept that name? Like first everything was MC Komal. Right now everybody knows you as a shoe hostess. When did you keep that name and why? Question mark.
Okay, so I think the journey of the shoe host started about a year, 2 years, like tops 2 years back. That's it. And I used to wear shoes to my programs. As in, yanu program gu ponaga yanu shoe padonditte comfort goskara. Avardu bokka one din then I used to wear heels during the events, and then one fine day I was like, okay, why not wear the same shoes to the stage as well? And then I did it. Kelakillo kannu bhai buddu tuyere innena paardola pandu kelakil pande reddu idea. It's a nice idea, so paadodiru. So then I stuck to it. Avet bokka apagayana pura panna kinna shoes pura paadoditte, regular wear ancha. Then I thought, why not make it into a brand, as in my own brand name. So identity, not a brand, identity mantayan shoe hostess panda. And I started purchasing shoes. So ite ink onji comfort oskara enna praya jaasti idji and enna mai undati. My body is of a 70-year-old lady where I have pain everywhere. Beri bene puro undu. Ancha the heels padigina beri bene purata. So shoes padigina avonji comfort olpala balpoli. Function panigina MC panigina itte alleppe itte mool leppe. So shoes paadu odegla balpoli. Sire paadana shoes paadu. Sire bitte der punu balpunu. So it is it's very easy wearing shoes. So I think that is the name, and I figured I should give it a name. So shoe hostess pan yane pudarkoni. It's a self-made and kerala pantichera. So it can sound a little desperate, but I thought, why not give it an identity? So yani enke onju identity koriye shoe hostess panda. Ate.
Yes, right now, shoe hostess, 2 years back, when you gave that name, everybody was like, as you said, incha tuvanittir. Like they were seeing you like this, incha, udigu pardolu, sorry the mittu shoe. Okay, so right now, how many collection you have of your shoes? How much you have collections?
I think 16. Just 16 shoes.
ಅವು ಪೊಣ್ಣುಲಾತೆ ಅವು ಪ್ರಾಯಲ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ 16 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿನಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ 16 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿ ಪೊಣ್ಣುಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿ 16 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿ
ಆತ್ಯ ಮುರಾಣಿ ಮುಟ್ಟ 14 ಇತ್ತು ನೀನಿ ಮೊಕ ಮುರಾಣಿ ಅನ್ನಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೋನಿ so it's just 16. So ಈ ಸೀಸನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂತೆ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸೆಟ್. So now I think 16, could be more, but 16 for sure.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, enna onji friend ulle Shravan bandave. Shravan, I will tell you who is battedala, you will come to know. Okay, he has asked me one thing to ask you that he must question too. Okay. Like irna onji shuare bodige iyo cost ida shuare gir korodi
are kunchi panle ini joppere punaga komalenku shoe korodu pandu joppadu kanoti ane guarantee korparega.
ಇದು ಕಾಪನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ಪಲ್ ಬಂದ ಓಕೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾರು ಎನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಪಣ್ಣ ಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ಪೇತ ಒಬ್ಬಿಸ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಜೊಪ್ಪರ ಹೋಗೋದು ಎಂಕಲ್ ಏನ ಏನು ಅವೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಅದು ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತನ ಬಕ್ಕ ಶೂ ಬರ್ಚ್ ಓಕೆ okay okay Komal is shoes okay Hazel is telling just 16 yeah but yeah, as I said this is just 16 yeah the age is also 16 shoes are also everything is 16 okay I also want I am already in line Hazel is asking
Hazel has asked me about I think 1 year back I think तुझे काले मका शूज दी तो मका कोणा दी ना का मका दोर म्हणा हंगला दाणे जाईत मिळे सपना पळे मिळाले तका
okay स्वप्न पळे ते good सदा एक वर्ष okay one more celebrity I can say the famous singer Shiny has joined in Shiny I guess yeah I guess happy to see you so successful Komal lots of love good luck
and by the way you should know she is a warrior and she's a nurse right now and she's been corona warrior so
yeah
much love Shiny we've grown up together enkel ottige malla ini and kinnedla elledla guttondarna
yeah so she is a fabulous singer plus corona warrior right now
yes.
yeah so enna lekkodla idege onte moke ave one love okay okay Hazel is telling she's still dreaming
papa
that day I saw your like closet of your shoes okay total okay that day I'm like how many brands you have
okay eighth brand yan pudan panpe I have Adidas Nike Puma Onitsuka Tiger avu podu catwalk da onji podu yo umil catwalk da onji podu and I have Bete I don't remember these are the basic I have yeah
okay apna jana set knowledge okay
என்னோட நிஜால ഞാൻ നിരക്ക് പൺപേ എന്നോட കേൻവേ ഇറും ജേത് കാസ് മൻപാരി ഞാൻ പണ്ടേ ഞാൻ കാസ് മൻപുജി എന്ത് പൺപുജി എന്നോட കാസ് ഇജ്ജൻ ഞാൻ പൺപേ ഞാൻ ಒಂಜಿ ಏನ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾಡ್ವೆ ಏನ ತಿನ್ಪೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಏನ ಪಾಡ್ವೆ ಅನ್ನ ಪೂರ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಡು
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂಜಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಶೂ ಲೋ ಉಂಡು ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಕಲರ್ದಲ್ಲ ಶೂ ಲೋ ಕೊಡು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಕಲರ್ದಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ ಉಂಡು ಐತ ಮಿತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಣ್ಣುಂಡು ಕೆಲವಗಲೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಶೂಸ್
ಅವೇ ಐತ ಮಿತ್ ಕಲೆ ಆತುಂಡು
ಕಲೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅದಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೂರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಾನೇ
ಯಾನೈತ ನಾನು ಲಿಂಬೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ ನಾ ಪೂರ ಶೂಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಲಿಂಬೆ ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ
okay Navin is asking ini event ಇಜ್ಜಾಗಿರೆ
ini full free Christmas ತಾನಿ event ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅತಿ ಏನೇ ಯಾನ್ ಬಾಡೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಮುರಾಣಿ ಫ್ರೀ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡ್ದು ಬಿಸಿ and ಒಂದ್ 4 ದಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಪುರ್ಸೋತು ಏನ ಮನ್ಪುನಂದ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಜ್ಜೆ ಆತ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತೆ
okay Aryan she is free why you know guys just because I have like requested her to come into my show that's why she cancelled all her booking on 25th and she is live so thank you Komal andu banle attu banchi andu banle
correct panda devinette man padire
yes okay 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 next okay so once like in what you say in lockdown after lockdown when everything like started opening up you came up with one of this unique idea of doing a dance challenge and plus vlogging into YouTube so how this all started like this doing vlogging into YouTube
completely out of the blue ennadine iche inkal start manpa pande inkal na munji group unde inkal sumar jana there were a lot of people okay and then one of the friend he's also a DJ he suggested he sent this video song to me on Facebook Messenger yana onji orma gantega odanda bayya gari kada kudiye yan tuye so he was like manpu gana ya mande avunda appina pupina yanadanda apuji mara yan dancer at I wande manpu gamalle so yan ani bayya kuldi yan practice mante ratri amma jeyidittere yan kitchen ಗೆ podunal tondulle marler lakka and I was practicing that dance and I aced it I did it and then he suggested let's do it as a group ancha enna friends nagaleda pura kende enkel onji edde plan manta edde professional ad manpuga pande enchella maatrilla free ad nama umila konditta so maatrilla free anta manpuga pande manta Facebook YouTube channel yan create mante paadiye 4 views button. It was amazing. We were so overwhelmed by the views that was there. And then that was successful. And then we were like, we should keep going. So in a month, so Yan suggests month ankle traveling into a month one change as a group. So we'll start documenting it. So Aven Manta. And right now, I think personally, we feel that it is a good growth that we have. So whoever is watching, please head to YouTube, type the Shoe Hostess, and please subscribe to my channel, the Shoe Hostess, and please share all the videos with your friends and family. Thank you. Please press the bell icon and then, yeah, you know what to do.
I want this. That is little standard. Okay, please press the bell icon. In Let's Get Talking, we do it like Gante button. Finish. Gante button. Gante button. Okay, right now, seriously telling you, are vlogging like it's like very professional. Starting from your first video itself, it's very, very professional. Like Masina, the vlogging, we see it. Like it will be growing on. From the day one, you have been like very professional. And that's awesome, awesome, awesome.
And full team efforts, Mastana Ulla. So we've been putting our 200% into it. So even the shooting team, camera, pura paton bakperate. So editing team la, everybody is very nice. So we are making sure that we give some quality content. Ijana put like manasa puje man perega ancha manti boka edde mantuga pand.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's the whatever we do it professionally, and that's reflected in your videos. Okay, there is one of my friend. I said right, Shravan Pand, shoe pand. But gold shoe podige. You promised me you will get gold shoe for me. Shravan and gold shoe.
I never promised. Copy promised.
Not you promised. He is telling I have promised it since. Yan promised malli. Our record Pandey Shravan, like our cannot but the direct shoe for Berge, in Ratri Japan cannot but Berge. Okay. Okay. Arna watch la branded account, Pranay is telling. Watch la branded is na?
And
okay. Okay. Marvin butter. So okay, Shravan has made me butter. Okay. Okay. Pranit, Ash, Shama, these all the toxic are like regular viewers. Okay, they watch daily. In a week I do twice, right? They watch it. And in this live station, so many things happen in between them itself. Akalla madhude mast vishaya apna. Vicha apmanda ಕೆಲಸ ತಪ್ಪಲೆನ್ನ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ಏನ ಜೋಕಲ್ ಅಕುಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ಜೋಕಲ್ ಎನ್ನಾಗೆ ಜೋಕಲ್ ಅಕುಲೆ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಆನಿವರ್ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಪೂರ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಓಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಪಾಪ ಒಂದು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆನ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಶ್ ನ ಮಿತ್ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆನ್ ಸೊ ಆಶ್ ಬಕ್ಕ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಲಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಫುಲ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸೊ ಅರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಲೆ ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಲೆ ಆಶ್
and enchondo idna Ash DJ Ash, please tell me how is your divorce life, how is life as a divorcee, alimony koroda and eighth koryar
ಒಂದು ಎಂಕಲೆಗಳ ಬರ್ಲಿ ದೇವನ ಎಂಕಲ ಕಾರಣವಲ್ಲ
and exactly ಮಸ್ತಿದ್ನ ಯಾರ ಮದ್ವೆ
ಕಾಸ್ತಿಕ್ ನೋಡ ಪೂರಾ ಅಪ್ರ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಪಾರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಣಮು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನಂದು. Okay, so vlogging, you are right doing it. Keep on doing it. Don't stop it. That's what I say. Don't stop it. That is like, and I've seen like many people telling, okay, Komal, thanks for introducing this place. Thanks for introducing that place to us. Okay.
It feels very good when people approach and ask, in the comments, or even they text in person and they ask, how is this place? We came across this place having seen your video. And it makes us very happy to see that we've been noticed and our work is being noticed. So it's a good thing.
Okay. So keep it up. Keep doing it. Nice. Subscribers ಉಂಟೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಸು ಇಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಪಣೆ ಜಗುತ್ತಜಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗುತ್ತಜಿ ಇದು ಕಾಸು ಬರ್ತಿವ ಕೊಂಚ 1% ಶೇರ್ ಇಂಚು ಪಡ್ಲೆ ಅದೇ ಪಂಡ ಇನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಪನ ಫುಲ್ 1% ಇಂಚು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಓಕೆ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು. Yes, thank you. Okay. So you are like MC, shoe hostess from Pudarla Malthar. Okay, plus right now you are a vlogger in YouTube. Subscribers just on and views just. And I also like heard that you are also a lecturer by profession. Okay, so like post graduation Malthar lecturing. How is this lecturing profession going on? How you are balancing all these things together?
It's not easy. I know. I sometimes I wonder how I'm balancing. And if you can see, I have dark circles also. Tojunda, dark circles. Nidre iddi
ಅವ್
mala
ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್
ratri.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್.
You see, by balancing everything together, the thing is,
ಓಕೆ ಲೈಕ್
after my post graduation, I approached my college and I said I'm interested to work there. And so I'm a visiting faculty, not a full time faculty. And so as a visiting faculty, must the classes itchy, honestly speaking. So like the varo gonji nala in classes. Boka candid by we don't have to work from morning to evening. It's just whatever hours you have, you engage and you're done with that. But so that's one good thing. I've been able to manage my MC thing and being an MC and being a lecturer. So and my college is very understanding. So they make sure I don't have weekend classes. And Ithanala, other faculties are just fun where they engage my classes. So it's all very nice, very sweet. So it's not easy to adjust. It's not easy to balance everything. But given that everybody is very sweet and very helpful, it makes life much easier.
Okay. So, answer that is completely a lecturer style. Complete lecture style. Okay. Like glimpse joke
that is very spontaneous. Yeah, I can't do it now. I can't. And from about 6-7 months, the classes are online, right? So that's a different thing. So I'll bathe in it.
Online bathe in style. Yeah. One more celebrity from Kudla has joined. Okay, one more celebrity from Kudla. Hera Pinto. But the
and the coop and the
Our hoop and the porridge are Untara Vantana and special invitation for the Untode Pand. Okay, thank you. Next question, please. Next question, that is one of the funniest thing. Okay, thank you. Next question, please. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. Next question, that is my rapid fire. Okay.
When are you doing Never Have I Ever? Yantule short classes paton ready ulle.
Okay, first Never Have I Ever podirig.
I'm just kidding. Please start with rapid fire.
We'll start rapid fire. Before that, there is one comment for you, okay? Pranita Ash and watch Ash watch brand watch it, branded watch it.
Very good shoes watch
Punyagari na kai kendi jeri Pranita
genuinely watch.
Okay, onje watch upuneda.
Undu pandri inondu ir ha pandle.
Yes, like we have to tell yes pura ikla. Baka nama live malpundegi ir panni an esponodi an panni respond. Okay, Jai, let's do it. Next question. Okay, next question please. Rapid fire the next question and the first question. Next question. Undini Christmas the budget first and last artha but first question of my rapid fire. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good are you at anchoring?
I have good days and bad days, so 8.5.
Edmare. Okay, I'll give you like one promotion.
Thank you.
Okay. Last person you've DM'd on Instagram.
I'll tell you. You.
Hashtag Yannan Burdu.
I don't know, Mayan Untle. Must 100 messages on Instagram. I didn't open Instagram since yesterday to open the messages.
Okay. Ancha. You don't know. Okay.
Maftundu. Yeah, so no, next question.
Sunil Desai is telling, Arig Maldargi, me, Sunil Desai is telling.
Mandana.
What I know? You DM'd, what I know? Okay. Next question, please. Next question, please. Okay.
Next question, please.
Who is that one person from Bollywood industry that you would like to go on a date with?
Okay. I would love to go with oh shit. Okay. Vicky Kaushal, definitely Vicky Kaushal, because he's so cool. Yes.
Mohan happinile Vicky Kaushal uttara kandipudle Mohan. Okay.
In the answer ಏಪದ change ಆವು because I might have a different crush 2 months from 2 days from now. So ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ವಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೌಶಲ್.
Okay. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೌಶಲ್ ಬಕ್ಕ ಎದುರು ಬೇರೆ ತನ್ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಪುಚು. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Okay. Fun. Bibliophile, as in I love reading books, and as in I could say bookaholic. Okay, fun, bookaholic, and stupid sometimes.
Oh, I like that last one. Last one was stunning. Last one. Okay. All right. What is that one thing that you love about Christmas?
Ooh, food.
Nanonji food nanonji food banle mujhe apna text barti apun column. That's okay. Describe yourself in 3 words pannaga. Ronson is telling 3 words ate the shoe hostess ge.
I am ಭಯಂಕರಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Ite ಕೆಲವೊಂದಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಪನೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡವೆ. ಇತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾರೆಂಡ್ ಪುರ ಊರು ಬೈದರು. ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುರ ಊರು ಬೈದರು. ಅವೆ ಅಪಲು ಇತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಅವೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಗಲ್ಪುದಪುಲು ಪುರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು. Okay. Okay. How long does it take for you to get ready?
Okay, it depends. Okay, sometimes I get ready in exactly 3 minutes. Sometimes it takes me 25 to 30 minutes.
How 3 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಅದು?
ಓಪನೆ
ಅನ್ಸನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮೋನ ದಕ್ಕರ 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋಗ್ನು ಪಡ ಇರ್ 3 ನಿಮಿಷ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಓಪನೆ ಇಕ್ಕುವಾರೆ ಮಾರ ಹಾ ಓಕೆ ಮಲ್ಲ
ಓಪನೆ ದಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ ಓಕೆ if you want to ask one question with God, what it would be? ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರ
ಏನಾಗೇನ ಮಾರ why this cola very deep?
Okay, fine, okay, done. Why this cola very deep?
I don't know what to ask him, so never mind.
Okay. Oh, okay. In Kuswar, what's your favorite?
Gomanche laddu. Favorite. Kitne khata hu? 4, 5, 6, 7. I keep on eating.
How many you ate today?
Today I didn't eat anything because today I had good food. I had mutton for lunch, so there's no space anymore. But if I'm empty stomach, if I'm hungry, I will eat 7 to 8.
Okay. ಹೇಳ್ತೇಡಮ್ಮ ತೋಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇಡಮ್ಮ ತಿನ್ಪಾರ ಪನ್ನ ತಿನ್ಪಾರ Okay. Okay. You have comments. Okay. Sunil Desai is asking, na ida kinnida ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳೋರಿಗೆ. You should talk about your pets, it seems. Okay. You talk about your pets, your love for pets, everything. What are my ask pretty part? Please.
I have one dog and one cat who I share with my neighbor. Enkalna pet illada bettadi. Onjin enkala neighbor ulla. So enkalna partnership with enkalna pets. Akalla tindre padve enkala tindre padva. But my love for pets, cats, dogs, any animals I've been since I was a little kid, and I love taking care of them. I love playing with them. I find them very cute, and I hate it when somebody is abusive to them. And I really wish, the one thing I would like to ask God now that I know is, why do you abandon dogs and cats?
Oh, that question you would ask. Yeah. Right now you know what you want to ask. See, somehow I'll twist and come into that. Like you have to answer. Done. Okay. 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 You have comments coming on. Okay. Depends on where ready ನಿಮಿಷ ರೆಡಿ ಆಪರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. Depends on where to go. Okay. ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಅರೆ ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೋಡು ಎಂಕಲ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆವಾರೆ ಆರು ಬಂಡ ಬಾರಿ ಮಲ್ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಪಿನಾರು ಪ್ರಣೀತ್. Okay. Okay. Next question please. ಎಂಕಲ ಎದುರು ಪೈ. Okay.
Yes.
Name a word that starts with Y.
Yellow.
Dirty fellow. Yellow. Barkundi. Sorry. Okay. Next question. I'll give you a situation, a particular situation. In that situation, with whom you would act that particular scene. I'll give you a scene. Okay, this is the particular scene. You can choose anyone. That can be a Bollywood celebrity or a normal human being like me. Like it can be anybody. Okay?
Okay.
One person you
Right.
have to name. First, like it is a scene is like you have a rain dance scene. ಒಂಚೂರು ಟಿಪ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಬರ್ಸ ಪಾನಿ ಪಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪದ್ಯ.
Okay, rain dance scene. Vicky Kaushal, of course.
Okay, Vicky Kaushal. Okay. Romantic scene.
Hey, come on, yeah. Okay. I would definitely go for it. But another romantic scene, I would probably do it with the younger version of Matt LeBlanc, that is Joey Tribbiani from Friends.
Okay. Third, comedy scene.
Next question, Aina?
Comedy scene. Third one.
Okay, comedy. I do it with the. There are so many people. But I would have to do it with Kevin Hart from stand-up comedy. Kevin Hart.
Okay. Irna ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್.
Ichanda Arvind Bola.
Okay. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಡ್ಲದ. Okay.
Nam.
Okay. I said no that some people from Gulf will land in and peek into my live. I said right. Vattir. ಇತ್ತೆ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಂಡ ಈ ನಾರ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಪುದರ್ ಪಂಡ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾರ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿಯೋ.
Hi Jason. What's up?
ಯಾರ ಒಂಜಿ ಫ್ಲೈ ಕಿಸ್ ಕೊರ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ತರದು ಬೈದೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಚ್ಚರದು ಇಡಿ.
ಇದು ನಿನ್ನಡ ಮೊದಲು ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಜೇಂಕ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು.
Okay. That was okay. Next question. Nalne scene. It's a marriage scene.
A marriage scene. Okay, a marriage. Okay, a marriage. Yeruller mara. Year and a head monthly. Yeruller. I think again I would definitely go for John Abraham. Oh my God.
ಕಣ್ಣು ತೂನ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. Okay. Okay. Jason is telling hi Komalgiri. Hi Komal. Okay. Our Mervin is also single. Yan single everyu anna. Life antra yan single everyu. Podochi. Okay. Ollar mata ullara Jason mata yerlejere. Irna mer baidijere. Elson baidijere. Irna Elson annu paadli. Bros in the mix happen adaga. Elson baidijere.
Ivrella ಒಟ್ಟುಗುಲ್ಲೆ ರಾಪಂಡು Elson Jason what's up?
Yeah, I ini ijjeranna chuchu duru ollera ini Christmas ada illa digla.
Vijana yepalla inche epponakku.
Inche oppun ini inchade. Ini inchade nadijana all. Okay. Next I will give you one word. When you hear that word, what comes to your mind? You have to tell. Patakka pannan.
Okay.
Anchoring.
Huh?
Anchoring. Shoes. Okay. Jason is telling Elson J the tight. Okay. Vlogging.
Okay. Exploring the unexplored.
Okay. Mic.
Okay. Spontaneity.
Okay. Christmas.
Whiskey.
Christmas whiskey. Very good. Dukramas.
Idli. Sanna.
Okay. Kuswar.
Gonchaladdu.
Okay. Done. What comes to your mind, Purand? Okay, Purand. Next, translate. Like I have give you one movie name. Okay, I'll give you one movie name. You have to translate that patta into Tudu. Okay.
Okay.
First, ite an pandate. Ash na matna apula matna malsandulle Rayana Pura. Net ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಹಾಪುನು ಕೆಲವರು ಅಕಲನೆ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಹಾಪುನು ಅಕಲಗೆ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಅವರು ಮಲ್ಸಂದುಪ್ಪೆ. This is called sometimes when the guest sees the comment, ಇದು ಎಂತ comment ಮಾರೆ ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Sometimes if the guest doesn't know that I am not married anything, sometimes they will wish me in front like happy anniversary. Today is the anniversary. Okay, so you have to translate this into movie name. First movie name, मैं पागल हूँ.
यान मर ले.
Okay, movie name. Okay. हमको दीवाने कर गए.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಲ್ ಮಂತೀನಿ
Here.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಏರ್ಲಿಜ್ಜಿ.
Okay. किस किस
Okay.
को प्यार करूं?
ಎರೆಗೆರೆಗೆ ಅನ್ ಮೋಕೆ ಮನ್ಪುನು.
Options must anja. Okay, done. We are done with the like this one. The movie names. Okay. With your birthday wish mandula, right? Shoe hostess, happy birthday. DJ Ash is like he's wishing you.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆತದ.
ಓಡಿತನ ಆರೊಂದು ಮೋಕೆಡ್ ಅದ ಎಡ್ಡೆಡ ಪಾತ್ರ ನಿಂತಿರಿ ಒಂದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ okay. Pranit is telling you are too good at Sims. In all the round of the which is too good. She's too good, yeah. Okay. Okay. We have some more comments. Okay. Shravan is asking, shoe app a delivery month. Okay. Shravan, she said, right, she will give it to your dreams. Dream day delivery happen. Okay.
ಯಾ ನೀನು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬೆಲೆ ಮನ್ಪೇನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊರ್ಲೆ ಇರೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ ನಂಗೆ ಬತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ಪೇರು.
Okay, yan get okay. Okay. Sanisa Madi is telling, hey, Akomali.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸಾನೆ. ಅರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಕುಂದಾಪುರದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್.
Full friend. Okay. Next round is like, what song comes to your mind when you hear the particular situation? Okay.
Song.
I'll give you a situation. Yeah, it's a song. Song. Okay. First, if you get to host a reality show in Sony TV. For example, India side, Indian Idol. Host one Pratik.
Indian Idol. What song comes to my mind? Song sing man koda machata.
No, not necessary. Idek sing man para manasitna malpu.
Okay. Okay. Iji eng manasi jaman puji.
You say okay, okay.
Okay, what song comes to my mind if I am an reality show anchor? I am not good with songs, yeah. What do I say? ಏನಗೆ ಧೀಮೆ 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 ಸೆ ಅವೇ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತ ಜಂಗ
Oh, better ಧೀಮೆ ಧೀಮೆ sing man. This is better. That's ಧೀರೆ ಧೀರೆ.
I'm not that bad, okay. I'm not that bad. ಅವು ಹಿಂಗ ಇತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಪುಜಿ ಜನ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮನ್ಪೆ ಪನ್ಪೆ ಆಟ್ಲದಲ್ಲ.
Ire bokka nena batna bokka malpu. Okay. Okay. Second situation. I'll give you a second situation. It's not necessary that you sing a song, but what comes when you hear that situation? How mandalayo? What like what do you feel? Okay. If you get okay. Yeah, I said right. Okay.
ಗೊತ್ತಾನ ಪಂಡೆ ಪಂಡೆ ಕೇಳಿಕೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಅವ್ ಧೀಮೆ ಧೀಮೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾನದು. You understand? Okay. Tongue slip man. Tongue slip man. Idi concept slip man.
Slip man.
Hearing this situation, what you feel that you have to tell. Okay. A song, but the song and a song. Right? Song comes to your mind. Okay. If you are stuck in a lift for hours with Arnab Goswami.
You're what there? Why you side pen? Did song undu mare it barondicchi indenge surute kottuvare. Please help people, please help. What song do I sing if I am stuck with Arnab Goswami in a lift or an elevator? Please help. Yan sing
okay, the best song on there. I will give you a gift hamper. Whoever comments the best song that suits to that situation, gift hamper from Let's Keep Talking Team. Mukabala ge vanjanada.
Mukala mukabala la la. Oh la la.
Mukabala again mukabala pura mukabala baradun. Okay. It's a Pranit energy. Let's get talking. Okay. Why this Kolaveri
D? Very good song.
Yeah, that's one option. One option done and Ricky boy, you may be getting a gift hamper. You are very near next to the option. Okay. Okay. So I finished my rapid fire round. In a rapid happening. So it is a rapid fire. So still 2 more rounds to go, and let's get talking. 2 more rounds to go. You have successfully crossed one line. 5 point दिक्कु नाना अंजना ये दिक्कु रन फटाफट. Okay. पहला नशा. Okay. Sundra.
I love that.
Yes. So this is why this collaboration is Sundra hai na tu. Like which shall we choose?
Sundra hai na tu.
Sundra. Okay. Correct. How correct?
How it turned ye? मुझको भी तो lift करा दे. I like that.
Okay, Dion. So you are near to your gift hamper. Okay, last bulla Christmas gammat age. So are peaceful. Yeah, Christmas gammat adini live gammat marthulla. Okay. The next one is Tera Suru. Himesh Reshammiya's Tera Suru. So which one will you choose? Which one? I'll give you the option to choose. Like you.
Yeah. If it is Sundra, okay, Sundra ha hai na tu ro rahi hu main. Ichand oh no. Actually, you know what? Mujhko bhi to lift kara de. How it did.
Okay, so Sundra hai na tu mujhko bhi to lift kara de, and who has done that? Mujhko.
Basically, it is the perspective that एक बार उठा ले रे बाबा बेको उठा ले इस लिफ्ट से उठा ले. It's like that.
So मुझको भी तो लिफ्ट करा दे. And Dion ना ये यार बर्फीने अप्रूप आ जाना पंजो sorry यार बर्फीने अप्रूप आ बत्तुदु इनी gift hamper अरेतिकन. So Dion ना okay maybe whatever, see that username, okay maybe whatever, भयंकर username. So you'll be getting the gift hamper, Dion ना that. Okay. Next round it is like a choose round. Okay, idu athava adu. You have to choose one and two. At Reddit only choose one. Range na paate no na. Christmas anchin jaunu. Okay. Okay. First option: anchoring or vlogging.
Anchoring.
Anchoring. So 1% just anchoring. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 0.01% just anchoring. Okay. Vada pav or samosa?
Vada pav.
Vada pav. Okay. Dukramas or Kundamas?
Dukramas.
Kundamas perchata? Okay.
Ishta. Dukramas edapur.
Okay. Ni madhya nittana Dukramas?
Ijji mare. Ni mutton.
Mutton. Kode?
Dalit.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Soza Peaceful is telling it, Vada pav pandare. We will, that he is from Belman, Soza Peaceful. He is also from Belman, I guess. And here we have one Kiran's Vada pav shop. There you will get the good, like Vada pav, super dikkundu mood. Bombay encha dikkundu, inchana dikkundu. Super.
If I'm ever coming there, I will give you a call, Marvin. I want to know where that place is. I want to have.
Yeah. So seriously, okay. Mr. Ricky Boy is telling you option karo dille. Yana nakole option karo suru mandiride. Breezer or beer age?
Yan papadar, yan breezer parpe.
Breezer, okay. Har Shama Suman Bombay dulle. Har monkey shoulder po dan monkey shoulder. Okay. Okay. So the next one is okay. Bangde or Butai?
Edde fry mantana Butai, Ijana Bangde.
Edde fry mantana Butai, Bangde. Okay, done. Okay.
Karkura.
Yeah, Karkurana. Okay. Hadley is telling Namma Kiran na talk, Vare Gora Thin Powder. Next time when you come to this side, 100%. Okay. JD and Amrat rum or whiskey, Pura whiskey upon the Pura Lady Christmas and Pura.
Balli jokule, drinking is harmful to health.
Nanor and Nikulian and a partner, they are a lecturer by professional lecturer. See that?
Exactly, Barre Balli, in a part Jiva Kehanikara, no Madhyamana, Jiva Kehanikara. Oh. Angel ki kelakale Anju Shama is telling she wants Angel. Iron Angel engle parcel mal play engle bangde bak butta ayo sadde kiti iron parcel mal play Angel. Okay. So next eduru payable next. Okay.
Giving presents or getting presents?
Obviously, getting presents. Obviously.
Hi, into love it. Okay. Okay. Red lipstick or nude lipstick?
Red.
Red. Okay. Kempu. Always 10 minutes late or 10 minutes early? Anywhere.
I, I am always 10 minutes late. Always. ಮಾತೆರೆಗೆ ನೆರ್ಪೇರಿ ಯಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೋಪೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಎರೆಗಣ್ಣ ತಿಕ್ಕೆರೆಗಿತ್ತನ ಎರಾಂಡ ಎನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಗಲ್ ಕಾತೊಂದಿತ್ತನ ಅಗ್ಲ್ ಪಾಪ ಅಂತ ಕಾತೊಂದಿ ಯಾನ್ ಪೋಪಿನಿ ಯಾನ್ ಪಂಪೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬತ್ತೆ ಪೋಪಿನಿ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಡ್ದೆ.
I'll come in 2 minutes. I just reach itte ಮುಟ್ಟಿಯೆ ಮೂಲ
ಇತ್ತೆ ಬತ್ತೆ.
Okay. 10 minutes late. Choya Hills. Oh, okay. DJ Ash Mangalore. Our beaches are hills. ಒಂದು ಶೋ ನಾ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಯಿಜಿ ಬೀಚಸ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕೇನು ಅವು ಚೂರು ಅಂಚಿಂಜ ಅಪ್ಪಡಿ ಪಾತ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮರದ ಸಂಕ ಅವ್ರ ಕಲ್ಲುಗುಡ್ಡೆ?
ಮರದ ಸಂಕ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
ಮರದ ಸಂಕ
ಕಲ್ಲುಗುಡ್ಡೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್, ಮರದ ಸಂಕ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, have a good time.
Anytime. And that video has come jigga and that is wonderful. Yes. Okay. Sari love or dress love? Love for dresses.
ಎಂಕ್ ಸೀರೆ ತುತ್ತರೆ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಯಾನ್ ಅವೇನು ಎಂಚಣ ತುತ್ತದು ಪೋಪಿನಿ ಬಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಸೀರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುತ್ತು ಯಾನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಪುಜಿ ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಚ ಪಾಡ್ ಪೋಪಿನಿ ಯಾನವೆ ಬಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್.
Vote for dress. Okay. Shama is asking one question. Lakeside or mountain?
Okay. Hill stations, mountains. Yes.
Mountains. Okay. Putti donne or Lagori?
Lagori.
Okay. ಯಾಪಲ್ಲ ಲಗೋರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪನ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಪಂಡ ಹಾಕರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಪನ ಬೇತಾಗಡೆ
ಐಕೆ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಹಾಕನ್
Okay. Tannir Baviya Malpe Beach. DJ Ash is asking.
Tannir Bavi, beautiful place. Malpe Beach is very crowded.
Okay. Done. Okay. Next, enna question next. Online shopping or store shopping?
Online shopping.
Puro shoes online order madine idu.
Enna onji shoes avadu kunta avadu angadi ಗೆತ್ತೊಂದಿನ ಇಚ್ಚಿ enna pura online wholesale.
Okay. Myntra, Amazon, pura away.
Away, say wholesale. Idana direct adidas.co.in aite pura ಗೆತ್ತೊಂದಿ.
ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಾರಿ. ಎಂಕಲ್ ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹಂಚಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಬರ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಚಿ ನನ್ನ ಬರೀ
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಔಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್
ಒಂದು ಬಂಗಾರ ಮಾರ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರ್ or Canada? Pranit is asking.
I've not been to either of the places, but I've seen Canada from far away.
Inchau far away banda.
Niagara Falls poinappaga Niagara Falls ಆಪಲ್ ಇಪ್ಪುನ Canada.
Okay, so you have seen it.
Actually, I've not been to both of the places, so our option is. But in terms of seeing online, it's in Singapore.
Okay, done. One more question. DJ Ash is asking, cordless mic or wired mic?
Output lead mic, but in terms of moving around, cordless mic. Output is very good in lead mic. Avu barpini cordless but movement goskara cordless wala option ippuchi.
Iru barpini pannonde ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೆಂಚಾದ ಯಂಗು cordless
comparatively obviously cordless same barpujate.
Yeah, I agree. Full points. Okay. Gold shoe or platinum shoe? One more question. Platinum shoe. Gold shoe or platinum shoe?
Enada platinum is silver undu, but I like my silver shoes better than the golden ones.
Okay. One more question. Itu question undu. Okay. Pop up on there. Okay. Okay. Money or happiness?
Okay. I think happiness is what matters the most. Kaas baron dipun phone dipun.
Okay. Happiness matters. Okay. Risky boy is asking, rose awa mad mein aawage?
ದೊಂಪ ಗಮ್ಮತ್ತಿನ ದೊಂಪನೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಸ್ ಯಾನಿತ್ತೆ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಆದ ಪೋಂಡ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಣ ದೊಂಪ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಪೋಂಡ ಮದ್ವೆ
ಓಕೆ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಪೋಂಡ ಮದ್ವೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ ಅಂಚನೆ ಎಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಡಿಜೆ ಬೋರ್ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಎಂಗ್ ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶಾ ಪ್ರಣೀತ್ ಆಗಿ
ಇಂಚಿನ ಮಾರನೆ ಇಂಚಿನ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್
ಪಾಪ ಪಂಡ ಆಕಲೆ ಉಲೆ ಎರಡು ಜನ ಕೇಳುದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಾವ ಬಂತು ಡಿಜೆ ಆಶಾ ಆಯಿ ಉಲ್
ಎಂಕ್ ಇರ್ವೇರ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲೇಜಿ ಎರೆಗ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಗೊಚ್ಚಪ್ಪ
okay okay Shama is asking one more question DJ Mervin or DJ Ash Manglo ಆರು ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬಾರ್ದು DJ Ash Manglo ಇರ್ತದೆ
ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮುಟ್ಟ ಆಶ್ ಗೆ ತಿಕ್ಕದ ಜಾಪಂಡು ಓಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಡ ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯಾ ಸೊ
ಪುದರ್ ಬಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಪುದರ್ ಬಡ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಆಶ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೂಕ ನಾನ್ ಅಡೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓಕೆ ಪೂರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎನ್ನೊಂದು ರಡ್ಡಿ ಕೇಳುವೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆಡೆ പോയി ಓಕೆ ಇದ್ದನ ಎನ್ನ ಮೂಲೆ ಒರಿ ಹೌದೇ ನಾನು ಆತ ಬಂಗುಡು ಬರ ಅಡೆ ಕೂದು ಓಕೆ ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್
ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್
ಐಡಿ ಉಂಡಾ
ಉಂಡು ನಾನು ಅಂಡ ಎನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅತ್ತವು
ಒಂದು ಪೂರಗಲ ಅವಸ್ಥೆ ಅವು ನಾನು ಇದ ಮಟ್ಟ ಪೂರಗಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿ ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಎಂಕರ ಯಾವ ಎನ್ನ ತಾವು ಬೇತಗಲ ಐಟೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸಾದೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮರ್ವಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆನಿವರ್ಸರಿ ಇನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅನ್ನದ ಇರ ನಾನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರದ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆನಿವರ್ಸರಿ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಲ್ಪಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಲವ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್
ಲವ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಲವ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್
okay love marriage done Sur or Fenny
Sur
done
ನಮ್ಮ ಊರದ ಸೂರ್ ಜೈ ಕಳಿ ಜೈ ಫೆನ್ನಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ
ಜೈ okay ಅವು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ದೂರದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಟ್ಟದ ಬೇಗ okay so I successfully completed my choose round and enna
so add panondu player Ash is saying I've met him in an engagement function. Ippu mara enke nenepichi. Actually ena gottunda ee rite pani moko enke onta nenepu barodundu but I'm not sure. Eerna photo ತಗೊಂಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಪೋಣ sorry.
Okay. Malleji avu ena gottunda ಕೆಲವು sometimes happens big celebrities that doesn't remember right so no problem. Okay. Ite enna yelle baby apne tundu Shama is like almost like enna yelle baby congratulations already battand yelle baby an it yananji 54 episode yelle baby an okay DJ Ash the next question undu onnandi keluve guel da neerava bisler da neerava
straight guel da neer edde cold ipuna ena taste mare guel da neer da bisler neer da inchina vasane ಮೂರಿ
okay Pranith okay done Pranith is telling choose round the name change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿಗೆ ಆರ್ ಎಡ್ಡೊಲ್ಲೆ ರಾವ್ ಪುದರ್ ದಿಕ್ನಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನ ಒಂದು ಪುದರ್ ಬರಲೆ because next round never have I ever round ಉಂಡದೆ it has been renamed by him or rename alleru it is called as untu illa round that is special untu illa you have to answer like untu or illa okay no never have I ever engal pura engal pakka local complete local style okay Bulla, okay, there is one question. What's your reason behind shoe hostess? Vara and in complete and shoe hostess the reason that the Nama kuda pandra kuda. When you are the okay. Next. Never have I ever round. This is my last round and let's get talking. And never have I ever round. Shots prepare. Please show that shots. Okay. Shots tuka. Okay. ಎನ್ನ ಮೂರು ಓಕೆ
ಐಟ್ ನೀರ್ ಬನ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಲಾಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಜನ
ವಡ್ಕಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಡ್ಕಾ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ
I put kamikaze shots okay
never have I ever round popid ಮುಂಜಿ ರಟ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೈದೆ ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಡ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸೊ ಅವನ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು KGF ಅವ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಅವ ಇರಿ KGF ಮೂವಿ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಮೂವಿ
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು KGF ಆವು ಪಂಡು ಅನೆ KGF ತೂತುಜಿ ಅಂಡಲ್ಲ KGF ಆವು.
Okay, KGF. Okay. Okay. Shama. Okay, Shama. Okay. Apul patrunli. Yani yenadmani DP Miss DP has come. Okay, Dipali has come. So they are talking among themselves. Nikul patrle. Shama na Dipali Nikul patrle. Enjoy man. Enjoy your evening. Yes. Okay. Let's start my never have I ever on. Like if you have done it, you have to like drink your shots. Okay? Yes. Red open. Red shots open.
Janala undo, yana pour manpodu. Unde, partly ready undo.
Okay, done. Okay, first question is, have you ever sent a text to a wrong person? When you text nerega bedane kada bud nerega.
Warana, yes sari mande mara. Manda halatu.
Congratulations. ಅವನ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ನಿಂಚ వచ్చిన
ಈ ಮಂತ ಜರ
ಯಾನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪಡ ಓಕೆ
ಯೋ ದೊಂಡೆ ಪುರ ಕ್ಲೀನ್
ದೊಂಡೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅದು ಎನ್ನಂತೆ ಪೊತ್ತೊಂದು ಓಕೆ. Okay. So Deepali is wishing Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Deepali. Merry Christmas. Okay. Okay. Pranit. Okay. Have you ever sent a text to someone and on response pretended to be have sent it by mistake? Have you ever sent the text to someone and on response pretended to send by mistake? Avu anta mastu maldangu.
Yeah, mastu. Avu kepala undu. Gode unja.
Recently. Okay. Have you ever fallen in love at the first sight?
Nah. It's too cliche. No.
Okay, done. Iji, Yampul Iji. Okay. Have you ever been chased by a dog while going in scooty or walking?
ಇಕ್ಕಲ ನಾಯಿಲೇಕ ಏತ್ಲಾ ಮೋಕೆ ಮಂತ್ಪಲೆ ಅಂಡ ಅಕ್ಕಲೇಕ ಹೊರ ಕೆವಿತವಲೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಪೋಂಡ ಪೋಂಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಪಪ್ಪಿ ನೆಂಚು ನಿಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಕಂಡು ಯಾನಿತ್ತೆ ಬೂರು ಜಂಡೆಯೋ ಲೈವ್ ಆಪಿನದು. ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ. Have you ever cried fake?
Fake-ಆ?
What? Vega. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Itan abbas anittu dala jumma appuchi sinka pokodu.
Jumma appuchi. Okay. Ee function ayi bakka DJ muni nertina unda DJ Ash is asking.
DJ gu nertina ichi.
Adu ettudattu pirod manasu danalla inchina dash the
DJ nertuchi mare papa DJ daga lakala bella man pope enku enna program eddaana.
Okay, so nertija. Okay.
Panna DJ panna enna program panna yan malpanaga akal edda man enku pro enku saakara koruda enku jai.
Okay, jai. Done. Okay. Next, Lavina Digo is telling, Lavina Digo says, my neighbor dog Komal, Arna Barita Nagirtan by the Mire.
Iti mare, Baiduna. What the genuine
Nicole, number good. Okay, how we parallel the shots. What is that shot? Is how the other mare Pachakallar?
So that is Kamikaze shorts. I bought it in Palm Monkey Pandonchi store on Volva Manipalakal Kadaputini. They're Kamikaze shorts. I actually non-alcoholic. Yeah, like part on the party in black and white on the party.
No, part of beep. Okay. So next one. Okay. Have you ever see messages of your friend through on his or her phone? Apple message malpuna peep malpunu or phone kite diknaga namatu pini. Congratulations. ಅತ್ತು ಎನ್ನ ಪೂರ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಪೂರ ಎಸ್ಸೇ ಒಪ್ಪುನಿ ಯಾನ್ ಪರಂಡ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾನ್ ಇದೆ next okay ಏತ್ okay text to a wrong person you did it okay for love at first sight no chased by a dog yes cried fake yes saw messages on a friend's phone yes ನಾಲ್ yes ಒಂಜಿ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ನಾಕು ಉಂಟು ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ತೋಜನದೆ
ತೋಜು ಪಾಡ್ನ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಟ್ಪ ಪಾಡ್ನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಣ ಪಂಡು
okay have you ever lied to your best friend
ಅವರ ಪಾಪ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮನ್ಕೊಡಾಪುಂಡಿ
okay
ಇನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರಿ ಇಪ್ಪೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಲೈವ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮನ್ಕೊಡ್
okay done rapper finish up okay 5-1 okay 5-1 and 5-1 okay have you ever
you've never lied to your best friend
indi bejaru
okay
okay okay ಯಾನ್ ಇರದು ಯಾನ okay have you ever had feelings like must group malla group uppunade like friends upper never in that friend group have you ever starting from your school okay starting from school till now have you ever had feelings for your best friend or your friend
no
you had feelings
never
okay 5 year 5:2 okay 5:2 okay
you well let's spill some beans yo let's spill some beans
okay
भाभी जी का नाम क्या है
भाभी एर मारे okay next have you ever done like full girgit like a dance what was girgit like
ನಲ್ಪನಕೈ ಅಪ್ಪಲ ಗಿರ್ಗಿಟ್
cheers
ಯಾವ ಮಾರೆ
okay have you ever driven drunk drive mallara
ಎರಡ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆರ ಮೂಲು
ಎಜ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತನಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಧಾರ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೋದು
ಅದು I've never driven drunk but ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಪ್ಪಣ ಒಂತೆ ಪದ್ದು ಅಬ್ಬೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ರೆ ಇಪ್ಪಣ ತಾ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಿನ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆಗೋಕ ಅಂಚ ಪತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಂತೆ ಬರೋಡ
cheers okay
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹೀಟ್ ಪೂರ
okay have you ever kissed the poster of the celebrity na poster kiss mandala
no not all that no
borchand edur bayan okay have you ever missed an high five
oh so many times especially when drunk
yeah now we class pandam magardu buru
okay next question
okay have you ever like must jana open in group udu tappa fart maldare bakka ee maltini blame pad
dude that's the story of everybody's life how can you not drink man never you idagijja gas the problem parle
ಯಾನು ಇಂಚನೆ ಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ಮೇರೆ ಸಮಯ ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ ಮೇರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹಣ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಇಡುದು ನಾಳೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಂದು ಏತಾನು 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ಭದ್ರಾಡನ್ ಮರ last question okay Komal concentrate last question okay have you ever bunked classes ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಯಿತು
ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭೇಟಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್
Okay, so successfully never have I ever and a Christmas special episode you drank shots and that way your question is padrada padmaji question is so thank you so much Komal here like shit. Okay, thank you so much Komal here like for participating very sporting with the participate like okay so yes okay done so Komal like pura round finish and pura and so like fan padratana no issues nanu kali 2-3 minutes
Bye.
okay. Okay, last 2 minutes. So, like, you will get the receive the gift hamper from our side for like coming into Let's Get Talking. Gift hamper is like barpundu. Multi the comments baru like gift hamper barpuji how panpin matra barpuji unchange and baru. But don't trust them. Trust me.
Yeah.
Okay. Gift hamper barpun. Let's get talking. Gift hamper barpun. Okay. So, Komal, thank you so much for coming into this our Christmas special episode. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Have you ever, like Shama is asking, have you ever thought of coming into DJ Marvin show? It seems Shama is asking.
ಆರ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಏ ಪಂಡಲ್ಲ ಪೋರ್ನ ಮೇರ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಟು ಬರೋಡು ಪಂಡಿ ಇನ್ಶಾಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತೆ ಅವಳ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್
Yes, on this special episode. Wait, you wait and that will come and Ranchan. When you are in Pugarnu. Okay, so it was an absolute pleasure having you in this special episode, Komal. It was like fantastic having
it was genuinely fun.
Yeah, and full fun and shots la pariyar, which was like never expected. Like okay, okay. So thank you so much, Komal, for coming. Absolute pleasure having you on this show. Like if you want to tell anything, you can tell. Now it's your time. Full fun.
Okay, Yanite Panpe, I think and slip of the tongue and please forgive my play. Panda onji quarter pothund. Okay, well, everybody, to all the viewers out there, thank you so much. And I loved how interactive everybody is, and everybody is so much. There are so many questions to ask and such interesting questions, and they're so participative with everything. And Mervin, thank you for having me on your show because this has been one of the most fun live shows I've ever been on. Probably because you played the last game of Never Never Ever, and it had it was supposed to include shots. I think that added more masala to the already fun show that you're already hosting. So it was amazing. I had a lot of fun. The questions that were never asked have been asked today. Ansha, must question in the program. But Irek David month pade mata viewers David month pade. Inchane moke manton dipule, moke koron dipule, support manton dipule.
Yeah, exactly. That's that. Okay. DJ Ashish telling Nana on Yarda and live body. Nana Yarda and live Yangoli Red Japodo. Live on. Okay. What can I say? Like, you've made this special episode very special. And actually, I didn't have that plan. Like, we'll have this thoughts and never have ever. You thought of like, okay, we'll do it. And you said, yeah, like readily agreed. Like, Malpuga, no tension. Thank you so much for making it more special and more fun. Okay. DJ Toxic is telling, bottle ready more put again. Here, bottle ready more. Penna Satan Artha Ulai Poda, quarter Satan Poda. Okay. Here, in a speech, Korea, Shama is telling your speech. Are only churla slip path. I like that. Like, give me a high five. I like that. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much, Komal, for coming. It was absolute pleasure having you. Bakayana on the last question on Yapala again. We are in his root again. Malay, young Pugar, my question answer root again. The Yapala, let's get talking about. Okay. So thank you so much, Komal. It was absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mervin. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay safe.
Thank you, Pantrathana Panoli. Like, if you want to tell especially any thank you to your friends who have been joined, and you can tell them. No problem.
Thanks to everybody. I think everybody who joined has been super active on the comment section. Mast active with their Matarla. Anchad Matarigla, thank you. And again, Merry Christmas and ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪಣದುಲ್ಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಪಣದುಲ್ಲೆ ಶೂ ಹೋಸ್ಟೆಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ
ಗಂಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Marvin. Thank you so much. You're amazing.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you so much. And you were super fantastic, super amazing in this episode. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, guys.
See you. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, that was Komal out there. We had a super duper fun with her. And never have I ever run out of the box. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody who has been joined in. It was like wonderful, wonderful. DJ Ash Manglo, thank you. Shama, thank you. Komal, thanks for being lovely. Yeah, she was lovely in this episode. Love. Okay, Shreya, same to you. Okay. Tulunada is Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everybody. And PhD Malpulle slip of tongue. Okay, here is PhD Malpulle Bega. Okay, Merry Christmas from guys, love from Mauritius, Kannada Gabalaga. Thank you so much for joining into this Lenu KMN username. I don't know like exactly your name. So thank you so much, Kannada Gabalaga from Mauritius for joining in. It means a lot. Mean fry kanale half an hour live bodo. Okay. Okay, Marvin, bottle is already ready. Don't worry. Come on, toxic. Come on. Okay, nama Nattus gang yapale pa Jason. Okay, Jason. Nattus gang rappa. Okay, here popina nitinere. Edaka popin nitinere. When are you like in your flight? At the upper flight. Here panli bega pour the mani party mapuga. How can you sleep now, Marvin? Yan Jappuji. Correct to learn. Okay, Marvin Nitin bye pa Nitin. Bye. Mithun celebrating Lepulana. Yeah, 100%. I'll ask. Okay, Shoe Hostess is telling. Shoe Hostess, thank you, Marvin. Shoe Hostess, you, thanks to you. Tule, DJ Ashi Gunji, hard button. Shoe Hostess, na. Okay, thanks, Instagram. Shama is telling. Instagram, thank you. In the all of the network, they were seriously clear. It was clear. Sunil Lesa, thank you so much for joining in. Everybody who has joined in. Thank you so much. Pranit Bakashama to Samale, Nicola Reg Nicola Sama, Depanda, Nicola Katikiti Bramal Parvali. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody who has joined in. It was absolute fun. It was today's Christmas special episode. And everybody, Merry Christmas to you, everybody. Enjoy the night. Aji Kala. Enjoy the night. Gammat Malpule. Enjoy Malpule. Okay. I have received a request for Pura. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody. Shoe Hostess Pura. Thank you for Shoe Hostess. Thank you, Mandramita. Like I'll keep this on. No worries. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. I will be back with another episode next week. I'll be coming back. Today was a special episode. Tomorrow Saturday. Usually I do it on Saturday, Wednesday, and Saturdays. But next week, please like Chur and adjust Malpule. Like from tomorrow, events are going to start. It is like too little. You will get busy on it. I'll be coming live this Saturday. Mostly. Wednesday live would not be there. If it will be there, you'll get to know by Monday. The next catch you next Saturday, 100% next Saturday there will be a live session for the 65th episode. So till then, this is me DJ Marvin signing off. Everybody take care. Bye bye. See you and enjoy the evening. See you. Thank you. Okay.